Hello Lady Trans Lovies, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. So South Africa is breathing through the wound after watching the Besanes reality show KwaMamKhize. They actually surprised by the biggest house they're living in, the Asian maid, and here is what Twitter had to say with that. Take a look and thank you for watching. I am out. Till next time.
I am a mother, a sister, a friend, and a businesswoman, formerly known as Sean Pisani. But now, I am Sean Mkhize. I would like to welcome everybody that's watching to my show. Welcome to my crazy world, but very fun.
I've been giving them hell, following me around in my busy schedule, but they've managed to pick up one or two things. And I would like to thank my special friend Rami Chome, who's forever there. Where is she? I don't know if she came. She was running late on the airport.